Well, hi there. I am Ari and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I'm planning to make 2024 the best year of my life just yet. This is going to be based off of Ali's New Year's plan. So if you are subscribed to his newsletter, then you should have received such an email. And it's basically just a sneak peek into annual planning event that he's going to hold in 2024. Without further ado, let's get started. So, of course, it wouldn't be right to start a new year without first reflecting on the previous year, and that is the first thing, reflecting on 2023. And we're going to start with major milestones. I know that I had several major milestones. I graduated from ALX Software Engineering Program this year, and this was actually the year I went viral on YouTube. So we had to write 3 to 5 of such major achievements and how they impacted your life. So alongside this, I wanted to write how I got these achievements because I believe it is right and it's so important to document your the process and what you actually did to get you to that achievement. Like for a course that I really read for, I had to write, oh, this is what I did, like specific things I did to get an A in that course, because I literally followed the lecturer. Like I was very active in class and I had to record that so I would know how to treat the other courses, or like how to replicate such successes. The next thing is challenges overcome, and here you are supposed to talk about the obstacles, the major obstacles that you overcame in 2023, how you overcame them, and what did you learn from them. And one of the major things that I believe I overcame was a lot of acne. I used to have a lot of acne, and I talked about this in my morning routine video, but I used to have like a ton of acne, and I really put a lot of work into my skincare this year, and I'm glad to say that my acne level has severely declined. So that's the challenge I overcame. The next on the list is growth and development. How much have you changed? What did you look like in January 2023, and what do you look like now? Are you the same? Are you better? Are you worse? You're supposed to think about things like that, and believe me, this is like really hard to. It requires a lot of deep thinking, and I think that's really important. Next year, to write some unfulfilled aspiration. What are goals that you really wanted to do in 2023 but you weren't able to accomplish them? Why didn't you accomplish them? I remembered in one of my videos I said that I wanted to make a video in Korean, like speaking Korean, but I never got around to doing it. Because I was not committed enough. I didn't want it bad enough, and that was one of the unfulfilled aspirations, and I know that I didn't get that because I didn't put in the work. Next is surprises. What took you by surprise, either positively, negatively? And actually this year I got my first Secret Santa, which was actually kind of a surprise, and I still do not know who gave me that gift, but thank you so much. I'm really grateful. Put down what you're grateful for, and this is one of the most important things, because whether things went your way this year or not, they're still important to be grateful for the people around you, for opportunities that you got, for events, people that you met, people that you didn't meet. You have to be grateful for everything, because you don't know what could have happened that could have been worse. You don't know. We need to be really grateful, and also for good things that came our way this year, because we shouldn't look down on any good opportunities because other people didn't get it. Self-care and well-being. How did you take care of yourself this year? Your emotional health, physical health, mental health. Did you start any new habits? I know for one that, like I said earlier, I really started a skincare routine, and I really wanted my skin to get better. Yeah, I really made that a habit, using all the stuff, and my skin is looking better, I hope. Smile. Next is relationships. How did you relate to people this year? Did you improve on your previous relationships? Did you build new significant relationships? I, for one, I spent 2 years at home before I got into college. That's 2 whole years with just my family. And I was really antisocial in college when I first started. I would just be quiet, looking, because I literally did not know how to relate with people. I had to learn how to relate to people because I had lost it. I was only with my family. I think I evolved. I hope I evolved because at least I talk to more people in my class now, hopefully. Next is professional and academics. Did you advance professionally, academically, personally? Did you grow in any certain area of your life, like learning a new language, improving on your skill, like getting a certificate, doing something online? This year, I said I got my ALX software engineering certificate, and growth also qualifies by putting in the work. Did you actually work toward getting better professionally? Looking forward, based on your experience 2023, what would you like to change in 2024? What would you like to keep till 2044? And what would you like to pick up again? You have to look forward and decide all that, but we'll be back to that. Finding your North Star is all about discovering what direction you want your life to take in the following years, months, and it's not just in 2024, it's beyond 2024, it's 20 years from now, it's 30 years from now, it's 10 years from now. It's like just the direction you want your life to take, and we're going to figure it out together, starting with the talent service prompt. So this prompt is: if you had all the money in the world, you had all the time in the world, how would you use your talents to serve people? Yes, so how would you? Think about it. The future TED Talk prompt. You're making a TED Talk, you're speaking in TED Talk, and you're talking about yourself. So basically, you plus 20 years. How would your life look like in 20 years? What are you talking about? What is so interesting? What's your TED Talk about? What would you like to do even if you knew that you were going to fail? Actually, when I was reflecting on this stuff, I realized that I really want to learn how to play the violin. I actually started my violin career in 2020, but I was not serious, not committed, and music is like a complicated field, and I don't know how to explain this, but I want to play the violin, and I don't care if I get to a professional level or not, like playing in an orchestra. I just want to learn how to play and play for my friends and family and for myself and those around me. What does an ideal Tuesday look like in your life? What do you want to do on a daily basis? Just have fun with it. Would you rather want to go out and just write down what a perfect Tuesday looks like in your life? Your deferred dream. What is that one dream, one thing that you always wanted to do, but you just never got around to doing it? And for me, that's actually like learning Korean properly. I always wanted to learn the language, and I still want to learn the language. And what like exactly has been stopping me? Not being consistent. I have not been consistent with my goals of learning this language. So yeah, that is my deferred dream. Your role model prompt. Who do you admire? Who inspires you in your field, outside your field? Who do you like, and what qualities do they have that you like, and how can you make these qualities yours? If you could change one thing in this world, what would it be? And now, how can you contribute to making that change? Now, imagine that you achieved every goal that you set out for yourself, every single one of them. What does your life look like? How have you changed as a person? What qualities do you possess as this person? Think about it. And now that we're done with all that, it is time to go into 2024. I am so excited for this year, guys. So the first thing, and I'm sure you guessed what it is, goals and achievements. What do you want to do 2024? Just write it. It doesn't have to be possible. Just write your goals down. What do you want to do? Then next to that, you have to come up with a way. How am I actually going to achieve this goal? And this is really important because I for one, need a plan. If I just say I want to learn how to play the violin, but I don't even know where to start from. I don't know what song to be playing. I don't know what steps to be taking. I get really overwhelmed and I start feeling bad when I'm not achieving my goal. Yeah, I actually need a plan and I'm working on it. One thing that was not on the guide but I really wanted to add was 2024 wish list. I had a 2023 wish list and basically I just wrote out everything that I wanted. And it's not like goals and like literally physical stuff. I just wrote them down. I wrote headphones, ring lights. I wrote a camera, a new phone, a tote bag. I wrote a lot of things that I wanted, and I didn't even know how I was going to get them. I just wrote them down, and I can like boldly tell you that I have gotten one way or the other about half of the things I wrote on that list. Writing what you want is like manifesting it. You're writing it because you believe it's possible for you to have it. I recommend that you write out everything and then as you get it, just keep checking it off your box and you'll be surprised how many things that you got. And I created a to-do list to do for January, February, March, for all the months of the year. I want to say by this time I should be there. I should have done this. I should have reached this level. And one thing I really want to focus on is my YouTube channel. I want to scale on my YouTube channel. So if you're not subscribed, please do me a 2024 New Year favor and hit the subscribe button because I want to take my YouTube channel to the next level, both for you guys because I want my videos to reach a lot of people and it's not reaching a lot of people right now, and I wanted to reach more people. So I'm really going to focus on trying to scale up my YouTube channel and I need a monthly guide for that. I need to know where I will be by God's grace. January, February, March, April, May. I really need that. So yeah, you can make out goals for yourself by this time. I want to be learning. I want to be speaking this language. I want to be playing an instrument. I want to have my own first concert. I want to build that app. I want to do all these amazing things because I know you are all amazing people and with a variety of different gifts. And I know that this 2024, I have this tagline which is not holding myself back. I am not, by God's grace, going to hold myself back from any of my goals. I'm going to give it my all. I do not want to keep disappointing myself. I want to show myself that I can do it and that I will do it by God's grace and by your support and we supporting each other. So go to the comment section and type some good stuff, some good energy for 2024. And that's the end of the video, guys. I hope you like it. See you next year. Bye.